Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we give you the ins and outs of the trading world. Today, we're zooming in on XSIM, a powerhouse in the world of online trading that's been making waves since 2009. XSIM is not just another broker on the block. It's a brand that's spread its roots in over 190 countries, boasting a staggering 3.5 million clients globally. But what's the secret sauce to their success? Let's dive in. First up, competitive pricing. In the race to the top, it's not just about being affordable, it's about delivering value. And XM does this with style, offering contracts for difference or CFDs on a variety of instruments. XM ensures that traders of all stripes have a place at the table. Trust is key in trading, and XM understands this. It's why they've not only set up shop in Cyprus, but also made sure they're regulated and overseen by some of the strictest financial bodies out there. Peace of mind? Check. And talk about variety. From forex pairs that zigzag through the market to commodities that ground your portfolio, XM's wide range of instruments means you can trade what you know and love, or explore new horizons. Fast execution is another feather in XM's cap. In the world of trading, every millisecond counts, and XM delivers with lightning-fast trades, keeping you a step ahead. Got a question? XM's multilingual support speaks the universal language of prompt assistance. With a team ready to help in multiple languages, barriers are broken and trading becomes seamless. However, every rose has its thorn. XM does have limited options when it comes to deposits and withdrawals, which might give pause to some traders. And let's not forget about the inactivity fee, something to consider if you're not a regular on the trading floor. But in the grand tapestry of trading, it's all about weighing the pros against the cons. With XM, the scales tip heavily in favor of a broker that stood the test of time and market volatility. Ready to start with XM? It's simple. Sign up, get verified, and step into the world where trading meets technology and support. If you're on the hunt for a broker that marries tradition with innovation, XM might just be your match. That's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading insights. Until next time, keep trading smart.